My name's Cole Hepworth, and for my project I made a CNC router. So for my display I have the LCD display here that displays temperature and part number. The input is the keypad, and its input is part 1 and temperature. For the sensor is a thermistor on the bottom side of the carousel here to track the temperature of the cutting tool to minimize burning on the wood or the surface that we're cutting. The actuators, there's 4 actuators, 2 for the y-axis, 1 for the x-axis, and 1 for the z-axis. They're NEMA 17 stepper motors, and they're controlled through the Arduino and the stepper motors by a program called CNC which allows me to write G-code and transmit G-code to the Arduino and change the position manually. So we will demonstrate the y-axis moving manually. So moving manually, the y-axis moving back and forth. The z-axis, which is a lot smaller, so it has very little travel, but it travels up and down. And then the x-axis, which moves the carousel backwards and forwards. So that demonstrates the 4 actuators working, moving the X, moving the Z, and moving the Y axis